helpful. Well, first of all, Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year!
Yay! I know Mark. Everybody shout your name out if you wish.
Yeah. Mark Lassiter.
Oh, okay. Next. You're the
Juliana.
Okay.
Cindy.
Thank you. All right.
Father-in-law John.
Okay. And
Sonoma.
and which one of you was the one that said it looked like shit?
You were my suggestion. I'm going to take credit for this one since I got the blame for the detailing job.
Oh, okay. All right.
All the family drama is going in the video.
Yes, that's fine. That's perfect. Well, it's definitely not perfect, but I think it's at least, what do you think, Mark? 100% better?
Oh, yeah.
Is he?
I want to see it first.
Okay.
We ready?
We are ready. Are you all ready to see your headlight fixer-upper?
Yes.
Okay. It is not perfect, but it is way better than it was. And boom.
Wow! Holy cow! Now we have to keep the car.
There are lights under there.
Can I touch it?
Absolutely.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, definitely not perfect, but man, this one was a mother effer. So the big thing was just getting off all the thick stuff that was caked on. That's the hard part. Then, after that, it's just a matter of fixing the damage that I did, which was put a whole bunch of swirl marks in it, which, when you throw a grenade in it to kind of fix it, you kind of have to do that.
Well, the important thing is I think they will see him coming. And
Looks
be able to
incredible.
see where he's going.
Right.
100% too.
Well, and exactly, it's a lot more safer, so,
It's not shockingly bad.
I haven't seen it like
Right.
this in about half a decade.
Yeah.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
Sweet.
I forgot that this is what it's supposed to look like.
Yeah. There are supposed to be lights under there.
There's actually lights under there, yes.
There's 3 lights under there.
So, well,
Excellent job.
Thank you so much.
thank you. Appreciate it. Well, I'm going to sign out and thank you all.